Seeing error code E119 on your Potterton boiler. It usually points to low water pressure. E119 means the boiler's pressure is too low to operate properly, and it's a safety lockout to protect the system. The most common reasons behind E119 are low system pressure, often below 1.0 to 1.5 bar, recent radiator bleeding or maintenance causing pressure loss, leaks in the system from joints, radiators, or the expansion vessel, and sometimes frozen condensate pipes in winter that can also cause a pressure drop. Here's what you can safely check yourself. Look at the pressure gauge. It should read 1.0 to 1.5 bar when cold. If it's low, repressurize using the filling loop as shown in your boiler manual. After topping up, close the filling loop securely and reset the boiler to clear the code. If pressure drops again or the fault returns, stop and call a gas-safe engineer. At BeFix, we deal with 119 faults all the time. If repressurizing doesn't solve it, our engineers will check for leaks, test the expansion vessel, and make sure the system is safe and reliable. If your Potterton boiler is showing E119, call BeFix now on 02-0805-84241 or visit befix.co.uk. Reliable, safe, local. Subscribe for more helpful boiler tips and fault guides.